Today I am showing you guys this V-part wig from Nadula Hair. Here is the box and all of its contents, and this is the wig straight out of the box. This is the chestnut brown ombre V-part jerry curly wig, and here's your adjustable drawstring in the back, which all the wigs have. But let's jump right in. I am just gonna go ahead and section my leave out. You can leave as little or as much as you like. With the new construction of the V-part wigs, you're able to honestly leave like a slither of hair out, but to each his own. And y'all know me, just call me the no braid down queen, because we're definitely going to slip this hair into a ponytail and then put a stocking cap on, because what's quicker than that? We like quick and easy, and what's quicker than being able to throw on a wig and not have to do no prep? So when you are installing your V-part wig, you want to make sure that you cut that piece of fabric off. It's just there to hold the wig together. Here's all the undergarments of the wig. There's some clips, combs, and the adjustable drawstring. I did wash this wig and let it air dry overnight. So these are what the curls look like after that. I am a strong advocate for washing your wig, especially if you have curly hair, because it's never going to look like what it looks like when you first get it. So you can never judge your wig until you actually wash it, because I promise the curls are going to look 1,000 times better afterwards, and sometimes it looks like totally different units or extensions. But after the wig is on, you want to make sure that you adjust the drawstring in the back to your liking. That's the only thing I use to tighten my wigs now. I don't use the adjustable strap that comes with them anymore, because all you need is the strap in the back and your wig isn't going anywhere. So to style my hair today, I am just crimping my leave out, and then I'm gonna braid it. Do you guys remember how I used to wear my curly hair like years and years ago? If you've been here for a while, you know. So we're going back to that for this particular style. So yeah, just keep watching. And here is what the braid is looking like. You guys know I do not know how to braid, so this is the best that I can do. So I'm just going to braid it down a little bit, rubber band it, and do the exact same thing to the other side. And here's what the finished style looks like. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of mousse on my edges to tame those down, and that is it for this style. Also, this is a 24 inch. I don't know if I told you guys the length of this one, but this is 24 inches. This is where the hair falls on me, and yeah, bringing back like 2012. Very cute. So here is what the hair looks like from the back. Very nice and full. This wig has a nice density on it. So also here is another style if you wanted to like switch it up a little bit but still keep the same vibe. I'm just gonna pull these two braids back, and it'll give the illusion of like a half up, half down situation. There's so many styles that you can do with these V-part wigs. You know, whatever. So I'm just going to take an elastic band, pin this back, and that is it. This is all I got. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll be sure to list all of Nadula's hair information in the description box for you guys, as well as a direct link to the unit that I'm wearing.